5 books to read when you're searching for yourself. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Overview. Follows Santiago's journey to find a hidden treasure, blending adventure, spirituality, and personal growth. Key lessons. Emphasizes listening to your heart, pursuing dreams, and embracing personal growth. Why read? Encourages readers to pursue passions, offering timeless wisdom and an engaging narrative. Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl. Overview. Frankl reflects on his Holocaust experiences and logotherapy, advocating for finding meaning in life. Key lessons. Highlights finding purpose in suffering, the power of love, and resilience. Why read? Challenges readers to examine life's meaning, offering insights into personal values and growth. The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. Overview. Presents 4 principles for personal freedom based on Toltec wisdom. Key lessons. Focuses on conscious communication, not taking things personally, and breaking self-limiting beliefs. Why read? Provides practical guidance for transforming mindset and improving relationships. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Overview. Explores spiritual enlightenment and living in the present moment to find inner peace. Key lessons. Encourages letting go of past and future, surrendering to the present moment, and accepting reality. Why read? Offers profound perspectives on human existence and practical guidance for self-realization. Big Magic, Creative Living Beyond Fear by Elizabeth Gilbert. Overview. Motivates embracing creativity, overcoming fears, and pursuing passions. Key lessons. Highlights creativity as inherent to everyone, embracing failure, and facing fears. Why read? Encourages tapping into creative potential for personal growth and fulfillment. These books offer diverse perspectives on self-discovery, providing valuable insights and guidance for personal growth and development. Whether it's pursuing dreams, finding meaning, improving relationships, living in the moment, or embracing creativity, they serve as powerful companions on the journey to understanding oneself and the world.